Well, I'm still here in the Cincinnati area. I just pulled up to the Grand Antique Mall, and apparently they're having some kind of anniversary sale. The parking lot is chaotic, so I'm not sure how this is going to go, but I'm excited to be back and see what kind of discounts we got today. Let's go in. Grand Antique Mall. This thing's incredible. The little German head. Looks like the moon. That's neat. The little enamel painted bottle stopper. And there, the Bakelite cross on the rosary. That's really sweet. I still love this vase. It's 50% off. Hold on, you can't see it. There you go. How cool is that thing? The coloring is amazing. Oh, I know I'm supposed to go in order, but I just saw this little blue opaline art glass. Oh gosh, that's so pretty. I like this Murano paperweight. After the discount, it comes to $32, except I just had one almost exactly similar to it. So I'm looking for more unique. I really like the Millefiore necklace right there. That one's at $34. And then, wait. Silver. I'm so confused. Jewelry not included. Oh, jewelry's 20% off. Okay. And then I see the Bakelite down there. I love the Lundberg perfume. That's amazing. $265 and 20% off on that one. I like that kind of amber Murano piece. And the Platnik, especially the cat. That's at $95. Look at this. It looks German. I can't tell. $50 and 20% off on that perfume. Some really nice stuff. Let's see. And of course, the Holt Howard, $95 on the cats. They're actually mismatched, excuse me. There's two in this pottery case that, it's so loud, I'm sorry, hold on. I was saying there's two that really stand out to me. One is this Rookwood vase, that's gorgeous. I love the color in that. And the other is this one. Leave it to me to find probably the most expensive piece in there. The painting on that is insane. There's a couple pieces in here that stand out to me. One is that Terry Kreider Jack in the Pulpit. That one's at $115 and 15% off. I almost got that one time. I think the discount was 50% last time I was here. I didn't film. But then back here, wow, that's an amazing Santa. Back here, there's a carved bracelet that kind of looks like Bakelite. $40 on that. I might have to pull that out. You know, I love the little cat. I'm not a big Yadro person, but I think the mermaids are amazing. I always love this case. Today they're running 20%. See the stack of Bakelite. Look at the vintage red patriotic sunglasses. Those are so fun. See this little antique. Looks like an egg trinket box, but it's missing the top. That's my guess, at least. Some really pretty Fenton. Oh man, that's gorgeous. David Nichols art glass, dogwood bowl. Really great, like regal pieces. Another awesome case of pottery. I will say the piece that stands out to me is down here. The Belgium one and that vase. That's so cool. I love the color and the shape on that. And another case of pottery. Look at this green vase. What is that? Is that German or Hager? That's cool. I've never seen that one. Some really nice pieces in here. There's another little great Bakelite carved piece, that brooch. That's at $49 and 20% off, though. That's probably about what I get out of that. Here's another vendor I remember having really unique stuff. I actually got an epic vase that I sold on Black Friday. It came from this case. Janet actually bought it. I'm really happy for her. It was so pretty. I can't tell what the price is on that. $28. Well, I was originally looking at the Annie dog, and then I saw that bronze World Fair nude tip tray. That's so neat. Some really interesting little jewelry and knickknacks. I like the Viking ashtrays. Those are only $28 each. No shortage of Murano animals here. It's definitely this bird that stands out to me the most. It's got a chipped off beak though, unfortunately. That's probably why it's still here. This booth is packed, to say the least. This vendor has all kinds of stuff hidden in here. I've pulled out some really unique stuff in the past, and he's running 25% off, which he doesn't usually. Christmas buffalo. There you go. And then is that a skull sitting on the chair there? Yeah, a skeleton with a lily and a Christmas buffalo. Perfect. This is different. $24. It's a hobbyist piece. Not as, from afar, it looked like it could be something. I do like that Art Deco shape to it though. I feel like I have a friend that would like this. Oh, I can't believe this freaking Jack in the Pulpit is still here. $62. It's check. It's so cool. Today it's 20% off, but I think it's still a little close to buy-in for resale. The lady head is amazing too. And then I like this one with the feet. It's really neat. That one's at 60 though. It's all too close. The lady head, 250, yeah. See a pocket of Costa Boda hiding back here. I love the tulip pattern on that. I don't remember this booth. I love the plush Santa pillow. The little coat, that's so sweet. Oh, that's great. Look at the teapot with the mouth. I love that. What is that? Fitz and Floyd. Lip service. Yeah, Fitz and Floyd, 1978. All right, this is epic. Look at the vending machine with Bozo. That's great. Those candle holders are neat. I looked at them with my friend Christina Vintage Life last time we were here. They really look like Essie Zaher or the Russian. I never know if I'm pronouncing it right, but those are so cool. Super fun plastic lamp back here. It's $80 and 15% off. That's actually a pretty good deal. Some of these little mid-century plastic lamps go for good money. Well, we finally reached my favorite vendor here. First of all, it's my favorite. Oh my gosh, look at this epic dog letter holder. That's so fun. That would be $12 after the discount. That's coming with us. And look at the cat. I'm telling you, these cat things, they're so funny. I picked one up in Medina. It's by Russ. It didn't do as well as I wanted it to, but even though it's a newer piece, I thought it was pretty special, and it's really well made. Some other poodles. The giraffe, epic. She has like a lot of really fun jewelry and check glass scattered about. That's kind of what I'm hunting for right now. Ooh, and I love the hippo, K. Finch hippo. How cool is that? I've never seen the hippo. Some Disney figurines. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's not what I thought. I thought it was a little Jack in the Pulpit. I think I'm a little sleep deprived at this point. Over here, though, I see a lot that interests me. Look at this check vase. That's really pretty. The iridescent is nice as well. 95 on that one. And I like the jar. Let's see. Some really fun pottery pieces as well. Noteworthy. This is a nice one, too. I like the iridescence on that, 95. Now, this is cool. I think it's supposed to have a lid, if I'm not mistaken. I love the colors in that, though. I've never seen that colorway. And this little check black glass vase, $24. Now that it's 20% off, I feel like that's going to have to come with us. Also noteworthy is this flower frog. That's very cool. Check. It's really neat. And this kind of like bubble glass. This one's my favorite though. Look at that. It's got a great shape to it. Yeah, a lot of great pieces. I love the little enamel painted artist palette. Fun owl. Oh my gosh, look at the penguin. That's hilarious. That's such a great George Briard platter. Ooh, what's that? That's neat. Brian Longsway. I'm not familiar. This is where Dagny found that epic owl. Looks like it's been replaced with another epic owl. And that's a crazy piece too. Definitely don't want to ship that guy. It's really pretty. The night scene. This is the case I'm really excited for. I love this case. All right, let's start down here. Well, the first thing I notice is this rainbow beaded basket. That's so neat. And look at that little check beaded bulb cover. How sweet is that? I just realized I wasn't filming this whole time. Oh gosh. I don't know where I left off. I was looking at the goblet, some of the perfumes, but what really stood out to me was the Murano dancer back there. And over here, some more really great jewelry. I love the Bakelite pieces. That's a neat one. Florenza. Never seen that. And that looks like it could be Weiss. Ooh, okay, hold on. Look at the enamel over copper pieces. This is really pretty. It reminds me of kind of like Starry Night. Oh, look at the one with the fruit. That's so great. Some more really nice pottery too. This is different. Hey, check this out. It's a Viking ashtray in blue, $30 and 25% off. That's a great deal. And if you're looking for mid-century decor, this is definitely where it's at. I actually am like, I see the Liechtenstein, but I'm actually weirdly into this rainbow piece. That's different. All right, that's my favorite. Check out this epic Venetian glass perfume bottle. It says as is. I'm assuming some of the flowers are chipped off. That thing is so cool, and it's only $69 with 20% off. These are crazy. Look at these enamel peacocks. And oh wow, look at the Bohemian Jack in the Pulpit there. That's gorgeous. I never see that in a Jack. Now we're talking. Look at this case. My gosh. Absolutely gorgeous antique pieces. The Jack in the Pulpit back there. And look at the Kozal. Oh, I love the oil painting. $14.95. Cow paintings as well as sheep paintings are a pretty hot commodity. What do they have on that one? $21.50. Gosh, that's so pretty. But that one, I can't tell you the price, but just know that it's out of my ballpark. It's amazing. All right, well, I did that. I definitely think I'm more of a Monday through Thursday kind of girl, but I got a couple great things, and now I'm off to Westchester. I'll see you guys there.